Hi friends, hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to our SISA video series. Today we will discuss on inheritance. So let's get started. So the definition is inheritance is a fundamental concept of object oriented programming that allows one class to inherit the properties and methods of another class. This promotes code reusability and establishes a natural hierarchy between classes. So as we know, C# is a object oriented programming language. There are main four features like inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism and abstraction. So inheritance is one of fundamental concept of them. So what is the main advantage of using inheritance? It will promotes code reusability and establishes a natural hierarchy between classes. That is our inheritance. And there is one the concept called child and parent class, that also you will understand in this video. So types of inheritance. There are four types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and multiple inheritance. We will discuss one by one. First let's flip to Visual Studio to make it more clear. We already seen there is a class, and inside a class there may be number of members of that class, like method, properties and variable. These are the members of the class. So here animal is a class where it is a method of this animal class, and what this it method is doing, it is only printing animal its. That is all about this class animal. So what is inheritance will do here, the syntax is like this. If you see, animal is the parent class, we can call this animal as parent class or base class. So this is base class or parent class, and dog is a child class of this animal class, or we can say inherited class. So it is the concept of inheritance when a child class inherits a parent class. So here animal is the parent class or base class, and this is the inherited class, dog. So what is the meaning of this inheritance? The syntax is like class, then the class name, then colon, then the parent class name, from where we need to inherit this dog class. Then what is the advantage from doing this inheritance? If you see, this eat method is present in animal class. If this dog will inherit this animal class, then this this eat method is also available to this dog class. So all the members of this animal class will be available to this dog class when it will inherit this animal class. If you see, this is a method of this animal class, and this is a method of this dog class. When I will create one object of this dog class, then we can dog.it, we can call this it method by using the object of this dog method, dog class. This is base class member, and the dog.bark is obviously the method of this dog class, so it will automatically available to this same object. So that is the benefits of our inheritance. So all the members of a parent class will be available to our child class. That is code reusability also. So if we need this eat method in animal class as well as in dog class, so definitely we can inherit this animal class and we will use this eat method instead of writing this eat method again and again. That is code reusability. And there is one hierarchy will be maintained, like this is parent, this is child, like this. So the code will be more clear. That is one inheritance. Single inheritance, what is that? Single inheritance is one child class inherits from one parent class. So as I said, animal is one parent class and dog is one child class. So when one child class will be inherited from one parent class, that is single inheritance. One child class inherits from one parent class. Multi-level, a class inherits from a derived class, forming a chain. So first run this one. so that it will be more clear for you. Class dog, which will contain this main method. So let's run this application. One second, let me change the startup object of this application. So dog is the class here which I want to run. See, animal eats, dog barks. So as expected, the output is coming. So this is our single inheritance. One base class, one child class. Very simple. Next, multi-level inheritance. What it is saying? A class inherits from a derived class. So if you see, this dog class is already like a child class of this animal class. So it is already a child class. Whenever a child class is like parent class to another child class, that it is saying only a class inherits from a derived class. So whenever a class will inherits from a derived class. So the dog is already a derived class from this animal class, and again this puppy class is inheriting this dog class. This is called multi-level inheritance. Like there is a multi-level, like more than one level. Animal is the parent of dog, and dog again is the parent class of this puppy. So this is multi-level inheritance. So there is a member of this puppy class which is if, and again if I will create a object of this puppy class, then it will be able to access its own method as well as this dog's member, and as dog is a child of this animal class, so it also be able to access this eat method of the animal class. You see, dog, eat and bark, all the three methods will be available to this this puppy class. So that is all about our multi-level inheritance, when a child class is a parent of another child class. Okay, then hierarchical inheritance. A multi-classes inherits from a single base class. See, animal is already a parent of this dog class. Again, the animal is parent of this cat class. So this is hierarchical inheritance. Multiple classes inherit from a single base class. So animal is a base class from where this dog is inherited as well as this cat is inherited. So whenever multiple child class of a base class, that inheritance we can call a hierarchical inheritance. So see, cat has a method meow, and if I will create an object of this cat object, it will obviously access this meow method as well as the eat method of this animal class. So that is hierarchical inheritance. Then there is one major concept is there, that is multiple inheritance. If you see the definition, not directly supported but can be achieved by interface. So multiple inheritance means whenever a child class will be inherited from like more than one class. So parent class will be like more than one and child class can be one. That is our multiple inheritance. So which is not directly supported by our C#. If you see, one method is there, one class is there worker and another class is there player. So there is two class. So what multiple inheritance means, whenever a class will derived from more than one class. So parent class will be multiple and child class will be one. In that case we can call that a multiple inheritance. But if you see, class person cannot have multiple base class. So as per definition, base class will be multiple and child class will be one, but whenever I am trying to do this, the error is coming. So what does it mean? We cannot achieve this by using class. So multiple inheritance is not directly supported by class. We can achieve this by using interface. If you see, if I will remove one class, then the code is perfect working. But if I will doing like this, the error is coming. So multiple inheritance is not possible by using class. So I will comment this one. I just wanted to show you like how the error is coming. So I have also written interface. You don't worry, I will discuss in another upcoming video. So only just understand interface is similar like class, but what is the basic difference between our class and interface, I will explain in one of our upcoming video. Just understand like interface, through interface or via interface we can achieve multiple inheritance. For that only I have written a simple to interface I worker generally interface is declared by using a prefix as I worker, I player. So interface I worker, here is one method called work, and interface I player, here one method is play. So there is two interface, and I want to achieve the multiple inheritance, but like the base class will be multiple or more than one. If you see, these are two base class, not class. This is two interface from where a person class is inheriting. So multiple inheritance is achieved here, and whatever the work method and play method we can also derived here in our child class or derived class. That I will like explain in another like in interface video. So don't worry, just I want to understand, or I want to make you understand like by using interface we can achieve multiple inheritance. So this is, don't worry about this code. Then this main method, then person, this is the object. By using this person object I am able to access this work method as well as play method of this two interface. That is all about our multiple inheritance. So if you see, I have written the same example here. So that is all about our interface and inheritance. So that is all about our inheritance. I hope you found this session helpful and informative. Please check the description below for detailed notes. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more C# topics. See you in the next video.